diretso. Jump is the word. We've got a winner. We've got a winner.
Ang liit ng Bible. Kaya di ko nakikita.
Ang liit ng Bible. I've got a bigger
I
one.
get a big Bible.
Okay, group 3. Naku.
You're so dead. You're so dead.
Okay. And then, I want you to find. Put your papers down. Find. Okay.
Find what?
You listen.
Find what?
Not yet.
Hindi, ano? Magahal ko yung item dito?
Yeah, item dito.
Okay.
Or someone dito. Or ano. Ito. Titles. Titles. 1. Ano sana ba yun? 1, 6, number 11th word. Titles. 1, 6, number 11th word. Fine. Okay, group 1, group 2, or group 3. I don't know. Bring me here. Titles. 1, 6, number 11th word. Okay, move over there, move. You stand up. People in front, stand up. People in front, stand up. Titles, 1, 6.
You have to find a word. Wait.
The word that was used there was wife. Find me a word. Pero hindi gumadaya kasi direct. Dapat i-relay.
Disqualify.
No, warning yan.
No, it's called
Okay, move.
Dalawang bulag.
Okay, that's titles, that's you. Let's see.
Mahirap to, hindi kami nakakapagbasa.
Okay, next. I want you to...
You got cheap Bible.
Yeah, ito. Okay, I want you to act.
Yes.
1 Corinthians 11:30, 17,
niyo sa akin,
and 18. So 2 words. You act. 1 Corinthians 11:30, 17, and 18.
17 and 18.
11:30. 1 Corinthians 11:30, 17, 18. No, it's 11:30. 30.
And what's the
17 and 18 word.
You know that cheap?
Okay, group 1. The word was
Asleep.
fallen as in 2 words. Fallen asleep. I was expecting.
Listening, am I?
Okay. Drawing na lang sa inyo. Move.
3D?
Turuan nyo lang.
3D?
3D.
Yeah.
Sakto. Ay, ikaw.
I'll do it.
Oh, very good.
Okay. Ito.
You got cheap
Draw.
Draw.
What's this dyan eh? Mark 8:7. Mark 8:7. Number 6 word. Mark 8:7. Number 6 word. Draw.
8764.
Wait.
Verse 7.
Ilang Bible ba ito? Bible says
Kaya nilalapot eh. Wala ka Magkaya isa nilalapot. Hindi counted yun. Tama ba yung drawing?
Mali yung drawing nila.
Ano ba yan?
Nakapapoy. Skis. Bilis!
Sabi ko, ano kaya? Flash kaya yan? Ewan ko.
Mami, sino nanalo?
Kami!
Sino nauna pero parang flounder?
Kagaya, dinodrawing ako papunta sa iyo eh. Hindi tama.
Okay.
Sinong giking?
Two, one. Come on, group 3. Okay. Now,
Where's my lid box?
okay. I want you to act.
That's bigger.
Papers down. Act. I want you to act. You can say that.
Ready?
Mark. Mark 13, 35, 28, and 29. One word. 28, 29?
Kaya niya sa harap ko.
Doon kayo sa likod. There's another one. Mark 13, 35. 28 and 29. Act. Mark 13, 35, 28, 29.
35.
You are. This is disqualified because group 1 is the first one to relay the message, but the word I'm after is rooster, crows, and then the second group, her, and she's got the.
That is cheating!
Yes, disqualified. Again. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't do that! Yes, guys, I can get here!
DJ, you go. No.
You just
Okay, you draw. You draw. You draw.
I can
Mark. Mark 7. 6.
6.
25th. So Mark 7, 6. 25th. Relay the message. Group 2, you are breaching the law.
They were really whispering.
Draw.
Not that. It's a my one.
Wait. You don't know how to draw. What?
The word I was heart.
Strategy.
No, you should like echo.
No,
You drew it. Mom, but I had that before then.
I saw mom running up there.
That's it. We tell you what to do. We tell you what to do. Yeah. Don't worry. We'll be alright.
Are they going to draw?
Last one.
Last.
Oh yeah, we're the winner.
No.
Drug service.
No.
Drug service.
Act.